Hello. In this video, we will discuss about the component. Component is a building block of an Angular application. We can create an Angular component by using Angular CLA command line interface, and you can create a new custom component. So here we can discuss these two types of creation of the Angular component. First of all, I will create with the custom component. So here you can open terminal. Okay, here open terminal. You can create one file in the app component src folder. Create a file with user dot component dot ts file, and one more user dot component dot html, and one more css. So you can create these three here: user component.ts, css, html, and ts file. Please open the ts file and write the class here: export class name user so user component here. So after that you can create at the rate component, in this you can select a unique app user. I'm getting some error here, so if I want to see, you can give a single quote first, comma, here template and template URL. You can give template URL what we have given. User dot component dot html. You can provide the file path here, and after that style URL. In the style URL you can provide so style must be in the array format. So this is the file format. You can check HTML by giving this is user custom and one more thing, you can provide user component in the component. So you can open app module.ts file. You can provide the component information, user component, so it will automatically import it. So this is needed for that. So now it's working. Now it will work by using localhost. You can see window provide localhost 400. If it's completed, it will take time to complete. So yeah, so now you can see you can add app tag, this selector tag in the copy and app component. Yeah, this is a user custom component. So you can find this custom component, and another way also there, you can open the terminal. In the terminal you can give another command ng generate. You can simply write g for generate, c for component, and component name nothing but so admin. Again enter. It will create the component by using Angular CLI. You can identify this one here. Okay, the creation of that. So yeah, here you can create, update it. So you can identify this admin here. So admin CSS, HTML, spec. So default it will give us that. So later we will discuss about the template. Instead of template URL, style instead of style URL. Thank you.